Oh, crud.
Now, from the trusted brand Rust-oleum, there's Krud Kutter, the heavy-duty kitchen degreaser that cuts the crud with just one swipe. Spray, then wipe away. Krud Kutter quickly and safely removes even the toughest stains on stovetops. Sinks are sparkly clean with just a swipe. Grease on range hoods and filters, gone in seconds. Even clean tough messes in green bins. Awarded the prestigious Safer Choice of Cleaners, use the power of Krud Kutter's original formula around the house. Remove even toughest laundry stains the first time. Just spray to wash it away. You can even remove red wine stains on carpet. Spray on sneakers to look brand new again. Non-toxic and biodegradable, Krud Kutter removes built-up grease on the barbecue. Say goodbye to ordinary cleaners and cut the crud with the one-stop solution of Krud Kutter.